Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Outdoors 25-piece universal wood gun cleaning toolbox. I've had this for quite a while, just haven't gotten around to opening it yet. So let's get to it. Let's cut this tape here. There we go. Styrofoam. Just throw that off to the side. I guess this is the actual toolbox. Not much packaging. We'll just throw it off to the side too. Helps if I turn it around. I guess here's all your, I guess you guys can't see that quite well. Here's all your brushes. Ow. Here's all the brushes and your patches, your brushes for your guns and your dafters and your rod. So yeah. See what's here. I can get it open. I guess this here is for like, yeah, this is for where you put your stand and stuff. Yeah, that's what that's for. I guess you just place the gun right here and you're ready to go. Let's see if we can get you a better view of this here. So yeah, here it is. Like I said, here's your patches and stuff, your adapters, your rod here, your two rods, three, actually yeah, there should be three down there. I guess this is where you put your rifle, and that was a pretty quick unboxing, so thanks for watching. Please favorite, like, and subscribe to me please, it really helps a lot. I am going to have a video coming out here soon of cleaning my gun, so that's something else you can look forward to. So there you go. It's unboxing of the Outdoors 25-piece gun cleaning set. Thanks for watching again. Please favorite, like, and subscribe to me please. As always, have a better than average day.